Hi guys, I'm George from Curry's PC World, and today I'm going to be checking out two of ASUS's brand new Republic of Gamers laptops, the Zephyrus Duo 15 SE and the Flow X13. Now today I'm going to be joined by Maverick, who's a professional streamer, content creator and presenter, and we're going to be testing out the Zephyrus's fast processor and the Flow's eGPU on the ultimate gaming bus, which is going to be awesome. As well as this, we'll be checking out the Zephyrus's 4K ScreenPad plus secondary display, which is perfect for multitasking, as well as a 1-month free access pass to 100 PC games on the Xbox Game Pass. The Flow X13 also has a 360-degree hinge so you can view games and contents from any angle, and a 2-way AI noise cancellation for a fully immersive gaming experience. Hi, I'm Maverick.
Hey, you alright, mate? How you doing?
Yeah, not too bad, thank you, mate. So I think this is us.
So this is the bus you're getting beaten on.
Well, I'm going to try my best, and you never know, I might win.
All you can do is try your best, but I don't think it's going to happen.
Have you ever been on one of these?
I haven't, that's why I'm so excited to get on it.
Right, well, it's the first time for everything.
Let's get you on, let's get you beat, and let's go.
Let's go. So Maverick, on the Zephyrus, the CPU is overclockable. Yeah. Now, when it comes to streaming, how can that enhance your experience when playing games?
With games advancing and evolving, you've obviously got the higher graphic specs. Not only do I get to score against you, but I get to score against you in 4K, super high definition, and again, there's no lag spikes, it's high frames.
So obviously the Zephyrus has a 32GB RAM as well as a 2TB SSD. Yeah. How is that useful?
It is extremely useful because SSD wise, you're able to store your applications and it will run so much smoother. Laptop wise as well, you don't always expect that amount of storage.
So on the Zephyrus Duo, we have the 4K ScreenPad. What are the benefits of having two screens on one laptop?
Being able to multitask for me personally as a content creator is great because I can have my stream up and I can see the game that I'm playing, but then I can also have my OBS up or a chat up to see what they're saying, what they're doing.
So moving on to the eGPU on the Flow X13, now it is 6% smaller than any other models. Now, how is that beneficial for you, Maverick?
For me personally, portability, because what that would enable me or anyone else to do is take gaming with you. So not only do you get great performance while you're gaming, but you can game in your downtime. I'm able to jump on and still game and I don't lose any of that performance or qualities.
So with the Flow X13, you can use it in a variety of screen modes thanks to the 360-degree hinge. So you've got screen mode.
I'd use this when I'm just watching a series.
You've also got 10 mode.
Now this is if I want to show you my gameplay. I mean, look, you can see it, and if I want to watch it, I can watch it as well.
And then you've also got tablet mode.
Again, as a tablet, it becomes touchscreen as well, I can see. Unfortunately, I can't do that while playing Warzone, which would be great, by the way. They need to incorporate that.
So with the Flow X13, it has a 2-way AI noise cancellation, which makes sound and gaming really immersive. Now, how can that benefit you when playing games like Warzone and Call of Duty?
There's a lot of games these days which you really need to be immersed in, as you said there. Noise cues become very important. For example, knowing a footstep is on your left, a footstep is on your right. There's the difference between winning a game and losing a game.
There we go, Maverick, that's the last guy. You got him?
Last one, left.
Yeah, I've got him, yes!
Come on, we take them W's.
That's the W, man. So buying one of these laptops and then having a 1-month free Xbox Game Pass would be really useful for you.
Absolutely. I mean, always having an option of games you want for what mood you're in to play is amazing and absolutely what every gamer needs.
Well, Maverick, it's been an absolute pleasure. I will give you the win on the FIFA, but it's safe to say that I'm the better Warzone player. Would you agree?
Yeah, Warzone's more your game. Don't play FIFA too much unless it's just for fun.
And there you have it. I got beat pretty badly, but these ASUS ROG laptops are a perfect option for creators who want more power with portable devices. So if you want to find out more about the Zephyrus Duo 15 SE or the Flow X13, then head to Curry's PC World online, visit us in store, or chat to us on Shop Live.